Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, the first thing, if you're thinking that why does the chart look goofy, there was just a big share structure change. So that's why the price is now up here in the $4 range. So nothing mystical was going on, just simply a share structure change. I suppose you could consider a share structure change mystical if you don't understand what's going on, but no, it's not like the price just all of a sudden boomed all the way up that level. This was something that had been planned and then just went into effect today. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Obviously a pretty wild ride, especially the opening 30 minutes. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see that first 30 minutes, the price ran all the way up here and was all the way down there in that same range. So a very wide range, first 30 minutes, pulled back, and then essentially kind of just chugged its way back upwards for the remainder of the day. But that action has now given us kind of some clues to where buyers and sellers are currently hanging out. First area where buyers seem to be hanging out and what I would call the ideal level of support is right there at $3.70, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $3.70, that would be a very good sign of strength. Now, if the price does drop below it, not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, although the next area of support where some other buyers showed up today, right down there around the $3.25 area, you can see on 3 separate occasions, early morning, the bears were trying to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a very good job of holding, at support right there. So again, 370 and then 325 near-term levels of support. What about areas of resistance? There's kind of 2 key ones that stand out. The first one, I think it's been tested about 3 times over the past couple. Yeah, right here at, what is that? $4 and we'll call it 35 cents. You can see rejected the price right there. Temporarily was broken above it, but then eventually rejected the price right there. And then this afternoon rejected the price right there. So as random as it is, $4.35, there's clearly some sellers hanging out right around there. If $4.35 can be broken, then you can start to talk about potentially revisiting those highs up at $5.36. But initial level there at $4.35 for sure. So interesting day, a lot of volume into it. And we'll see how this one all unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, say, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.